Ukunqoba okuncane empini yezomthetho engase ithathe isikhathi eside. Kanti i-EFF ijabule njengoba kuyiyona inqobo yokuqala kule mpilo.
Our MPs can go back to work and can do the work that they were mandated to do by 1.1 million, over 1.1 million voters. We are not some Mickey Mouse political party.
Iphalamende likazwelonke lithi lizowulandela umyalelo wenkantolo wesikhashana. Amalungu e-EFF ephalamende ahlawuliswa azokhokhelwa imali zawo. Iphalamende lithi lizowulandela lo mthetho wesikhashana kanti lawo malungu amiswa azovunyelwa ukuthi abuye emahhovisi awo asephalamende.
This was not about the comprehensive review, it was about the interim order that had been sought. That this thing was not about the correctness or legitimacy of the decision that was taken by the committee. Those issues still require comprehensive evidence. They require different process by a court, by an appropriate court.
I-African National Congress ithi ke lesi akusisona isiphetho salolu daba. Ikholwa ukuthi ikomiti lezamandla namagunya ephalamende lasungulwa ngokusemthethweni kanye nanokuthi inkantolo izovuna leli komiti uma ngabe selibeka uhlangothi lwalo ngalolu daba.
We are certain that in fact when it comes to this particular matter of the outcome of the committee process itself, the court will find differently from what it has found.
Kusamele kubekwe usuku lapho inkantolo izozwa khona isicelo se-EFF sokuthi kungani kumele sichithwe unomphelo isinqumo sokumiswa kwamalunga ephalamende. I-EFF itho kwamanje izobibhiyozela ekubiza ngesipho sikaKhisimusi.